In this problem, you have to calculate the value of this expression. The expression is a square root 4 plus root 63 by 2 plus a square root 4 minus root 63 by 2. So how will you solve this problem? Do you see any relationship between two terms? So this term and this term. Basically there is a relationship. If you consider this term as A and this term is B, then this is A plus B. And what about here? This is A minus B. This gives me a hint that if I square, then some of the term will cancel because one is plus, another is minus. So let us assume this is written as A. So I can write A is equals to, so whatever given, we are assuming this is equals to A 4 plus root 63 divided by 2, and this is a square root 4 minus root 63 by 2, and then I will square both sides and let us see what happens. I square this side and I square this side. So this will simply become A square, and this is nothing but A plus B whole square. So if you remember, A plus B whole square, this is equals to A square plus B square plus 2AB. So let us apply this formula. So we will have a square root 4 plus root 63 divided by 2 whole square, and then B square, that is this term, a square root 4 minus root 63 divided by 2 whole square plus 2 times AB. A is what? 4 plus root 63 by 2, and B is 4 minus root 63 by 2. Now let us simplify using the rules of power. So if you remember, if we have root A and whole square of this can be written as A raised to the power 1 by 2 raised to the power 2, and this can further be written as A raised to the power 1 by 2 into 2. This means A raised to the power 1. This is simply A. This means if we have a square of something root, then simply the number you have, that will be the final answer. So in this case, you will have here 4 plus root 63 by 2, and this term will be 4 minus root 63 by 2, and this will be 2 times. Now you have another rule of power. So this will be, if we have root A times root B, so rule says you can take both inside, that is root over A into B. So with this rule I can rewrite this expression becomes 4 plus root 63 divided by 2 multiplied by 4 minus root 63 divided by 2. Now see, this term get cancelled, and this 4 and this 4 becomes 8. So I will have 8 plus 2 times this term, that is a square root of, and this is what? This is written as A and this is B. Then this is, let us say this is X and this is Y. So this is X plus Y and this is X minus Y. So I will use another algebraic identity, that is if you have X plus Y into X minus Y, then this can be written as X square minus Y square. So this means if I use this, then this becomes 4 square, that is X square minus Y square. y is root 63 by 2 whole square. So this simply becomes 8 plus 2, and this is a square root 4 square is 16 minus this is root 63 whole square, and this is divided by 2 whole square. So what I am doing is I am using another rule. So if we have a by b whole square, this can be written as a square divided by b square. So now I can further simplify 8 plus 2 a square root of 16, and root 63 a square is simply 63, and 2 a square becomes 4. Now if you take the LCM, then this will become 4, and 16 times 4 is 64 minus 63. So this terms becomes 8 plus 2 a square root of 1 by 4. This means this is 8 plus 2 into 1 by 2, that is 1. So this is 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. Now see, here I have taken the positive square root, that is this term a square root of this term. I have taken positive square root. So generally this square root denotes positive square root. That's why root of 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. So this is equals to 9. A square is equals to 9. Now you see about A. You have, so this quantity is A basically. Now this term is a positive quantity because this is a positive square root. And this is also a positive quantity. This means A is also a positive quantity. So I can say A is greater than equal to 0. So this is the condition that I am getting from the language of question. So A square is 9. This means A is equals to plus 3 or minus 3. But I don't have to consider the negative root. So in this case, we will have A is equals to 3. That is the answer for this problem. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy, please like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.